Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Edu Solutions. In this video, let's talk about Vidya Amrit Mahotsav Micro Improvement led Innovative Pedagogy Festival. The Vidya Amrit initiative aims to encourage, recognize, and nurture innovations across the 1.5 million schools in our education system by breaking down big ideas into a series of micro improvements. Vidya Amrit Mahotsav Festival under Vidya Amrit initiative will promote and recognize micro improvements for innovative pedagogy implemented by the teachers and school leaders across India. Instructions for participants. To participate in Vidya Amrit Mahotsav, teachers, educators have to upload their best journey video along with synopsis. The theme of the project is Innovative Pedagogy. The project will only be considered for evaluation in Vidya Amrit Mahotsav when the participants will successfully upload the video of their innovative pedagogy along with the synopsis on Diksha app. The journey video shall have project objective, action steps, impact, any other components if required to be uploaded by participants. Things that you have to keep in your mind while doing your project. Number 1 is introduction, and the duration of this part must be of 30 seconds. In your video, you can talk about introducing yourself or your school. For example, name, class, school, location, state, etc. Number 2 is objective. The duration of this part must be 1 minute. In your video, you can talk about what is the objective. Why did you select this objective? For example, clip of the teacher, school leader explaining objective, evidence of the challenges, for example, sample of the student work, classroom engagement, teacher interviews, etc. Number 3 is action steps. The duration of this part must be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. In your video, you can talk about what are the steps you took, talk about them in logical sequence. Which resources did you use? For example, clip of the teacher, school leader explaining the action steps, videos and or pictures of the students or teachers or other community stakeholders engaging in the activities. And the 4th part is impact, and the duration of this part must be 1 minute. In your video, you can talk about how did your innovative pedagogy solution help the students or teachers. Is your innovative solution scalable to bring impact to more number of students? If yes, how you envision to do that? For example, evidence that clearly demonstrates how student teachers were benefited by your innovative solution. For example, assessment, work samples, student teacher testimonials, etc. Please note that this journey video needs to be attached as a project evidence and not task evidence on Diksha. How to do VAM projects on Diksha app, and you are on the home page. Second step is to update your profile. Go to the profile page by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app. On this screen, click on the edit button to update your profile. In the role, select teacher if you are a teacher. Select your state, your district, your block and the name of your school. Then click on submit to select your board. Click on this second edit option. Select your board, your medium, your class and your subject, and then click on save. If you are a headmaster, head teacher or principal, then select your role as official, then select your state. Next option is sub-role. Click on sub-role and form. The given list, select your designation in your school, that is head teacher if you are a head teacher or HM if you are a headmaster. Then select your district, your block, and then name of your school, and click on submit. Third step is to access the project. If you are a teacher, take the following steps. Go to home page, click on the burger menu in the top left corner of the screen, select try new Diksha experience. After selecting that, home page will appear. You will see projectile on your screen. Click on the projectile in the route assigned to me. Select the project assigned to you for Vidya Amrit Mahotsav in your state. Click on start improvement to start the project. If you have chosen HTM officials, take the following step to access your project. Go to home page, click on the project title on the Vidya Amrit Mahotsav project for your state. Under assigned to me section, click on start improvement to start your project. You will now be able to see Vidya Amrit Mahotsav project. The project includes a project title on top, project objective, and a learning resource in the project details. You can access the learning resource to see how to edit the project title and tasks and how to add tasks in your project on Diksha. Details include 2 tasks. There are also learning resources in task 1, which you can see by clicking on view resources. Task 1 is about learning resources, whereas task 2 is where you will add your action steps for the project. Before you start documenting your project, you can go and read all the learning resources to understand the theme of Vidya Amrit Mahotsav. Click on the view resource button on task 1. This will show you to learn resource on is video innovative pedagogy, and second is guide on how to document your innovative pedagogy project. Click on the learning resource you want to read or watch. A new screen will appear. You will see a play button. Click on it to watch or read the learning resource. Once you read the resource, click on the exit button that appears. After this, click on the back arrow to go back to the resources list. You can follow the same steps to read the other resources. Once you are done with both the resources, you can click on back arrow again. For doing the Vidya Amrit Mahotsav project, you are required to edit the project title and objective. Click on edit icon below the project title and then click on the below icon at the top right corner to edit the title and objective. Edit the instruction part and add the title of the innovation project you want to document. For example, if your innovation project is read aloud activity, then your project title will look like this __ read aloud. Here you are required edit the text and add the challenge you solved through this innovation project. Continuing with the same example, I will put the objective of the read aloud activity here. Click on save edit to see if the changes you made the project title and objective. Click on task details to access the tasks. Since you have viewed the learning resources in the task 1, now you can click on task 1 and select the status as completed. Once you mark the task complete, a green icon will appear against the task number. Please note that you have to mark every task as complete. From task 2, you can add the action steps you have taken to implement your innovative pedagogy project. Here you are required to edit the text in text 2 by clicking on the below icon beside the task and add the first action step you have taken to innovatively solve your challenge. For example, I will add the first action step for the read aloud project. Then click on save. You can also upload projects or files as evidences by clicking on add files. Check the tick box that appears and click on upload. On this page you can add your remarks if any, and select files from gallery or file manager and upload them by clicking on attach files. Post that, select the status of the task as completed. To add subsequent action steps, you are required to add more tasks. With that, click on add your task and your next step under task description. For example, I will put the next step for the read aloud activity. Select status of your task as completed. You may add images or files by clicking on attach files. Click on add task to add a new task to your project. As you work on the tasks of the project, you will see the project progress. Click on sync after you have completed each task. Once you add all the tasks and mark them complete, your project status shows completed with the green bar and the submit improvement button is enabled. Click on submit improvement. On this page, attach your Vidya Amrit Mahotsav journey video by selecting it from gallery or files. You will see a tag successfully notification appear at the top of the app post. Click on the submit improvement. After you click on submit, you will not be able to make any changes to the project. You will see congratulatory message appear in the green box once you have submitted your project.